Cardamom, this ancient spice has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic and traditional medicine for its medicinal properties. It is believed cardamom to have a positive effect on digestion. It can relieve gas and bloating. It can also help to freshen your breath. It can be used as a natural remedy for sore throat, and it can also help to lower blood pressure. Cardamom is also a rich source of antioxidants. It can help to boost the immune system, help to protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. Cardamom is a versatile spice that can be used in both sweet and savory dishes. Try adding it to your coffee, tea, or baked goods for a unique and delicious flavor. Cardamom, also known as the Queen of Spices, is not only delicious but also packed with amazing health benefits.